The Realme GT8 Pro has now surfaced again in Weibo with what looks like a full look at its design. The GT8 Pro is seen with a circular housing on the back, and high-quality renders of the upcoming Realme GT8 Pro have surfaced, giving us the clearest look yet. The device is expected to pack a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 200MP periscope telephoto lens on the rear. Realme Vice President Wang Wei confirmed that the GT8 series will launch in October. There is a possibility that the GT8 Pro could be launched at 3,999 yuan for the base variant. It features a BOE-supplied 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with slim bezels on all sides, 2K resolution, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. It will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the next-gen flagship chipset from Qualcomm. It is likely to ship with the Realme UI 7-based Android 16. Keeping it powered is reportedly a massive 8,000 mAh battery, with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.